सुदेशना, श्वेतांशु, सुधांशु, सुशांत, संतोष, सत्य, दुर्जय, दुर्जय। ईच एंड एवरीबडी वेब के ऊपर गाड़, पाछा के ऊपर बुलडोजर रन होगी। With bulldozer, your lower portion will be grind in molecule levels. Even if you can survive, then your boil hot water through your nose and mouth, respiratory tract, and finish with penis hottest oil and uterine. And breast will be cotton. After cutting, there will be most with pores irritating and bitter burning sensation, and skin with severe torture, bruising with burning sensation. Post criminal manner will be killed. Sujoy, Durjoy, Turjoy, Tukito, Tusit, Amin. अजीत, असीत, अखिल, निखिल, बिमले, अमले, दुजले, दुखले, नीलांजय, दीपांजय, सेंजय, अंजय, पुरंजय, धनंजय, सुधांजय, गुदांजय, सूर्जय, चोदायजय, सत्य, इतना दुखाय, दुखद. You can do for life snatching of people in this region with such destroyer, treasure, razor. For cleaning of sea with such massive structure, you are trying to kill me like yogis, brothers and sisters, villagers, Astramite peoples. And this message is simultaneously going to all Indian politicians. Sir calls to Narendra Modi, Ghulam Nabi, to Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh, Rahul, Shiv Sena, Akali, each and every party. एक भी टुकड़ा नहीं रहेगा जुडिशियल सिस्टम में इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एनआईए और सीबीआई पीपल. एनआईए, सीबीआई, आईबी डिपार्टमेंट का कोई भी बड़ा ऑफिसर और इंटीग्रेटेड डीआरडीओ के कोई ऑफिसर नहीं आएगा. नहीं आईआईटी का कोई डायरेक्टर, डीजी, सीएसआरआई का, डीडीजी, हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट का, मेट्रोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट का, हर्षवर्धन, तो जान ले. और स्वामीनाथन को पकड़ के लेके इसके ऊपर बुलडोजर चलाएंगे. स्वामीनाथन, स्वामीनाथन, शर्मिला भट्टाचार्य, राणा अधिकारी के ऊपर बुलडोजर चलाएंगे. मनोज अधिकारी, देवेन अधिकारी, शंख अधिकारी, शंखचूड़, चंद्रचूड़, चुदिर अंबिका, सुनेले चुदिर बाच्चागण, शुभश्री चौदश्री आयशा चौदाएंगे नीतम्बा गुदम्बा. मधु चौतमारानी, तेरे की होगी मधु तू नहीं जानता. मधु, अमल, बिमले, अमल, अनल, अंजन, निलय, पलय, अलय, सम्राट, बसत, अमले, बिमले, तेरे लोगों का क्या होगा? महितोष, सहितोष, जाजावर, सुहृदय, सुखदय, निर्वेद, निर्जीव, तेरे लोगों का क्या होगा यदि जिंदा रह जासना. सहेली, चुदाली और तुसितो, तुकितो, तुहिनो, यदि जिंदा रह जास. मैसेज इसका रिकॉर्ड होगा. तो हमको मार दे, लेकिन आप killing within your soul, punished in such a your lower wave portion plumber will be grind with destroyer and bulldozer. And they will allow some people will be beheaded at this condition, and those head will be kept as her mother, and mother brain will be kept on her, your sister. Your penis will be kept on grandmothers, and grandmothers' breast will be cut to put in this Govindo, and Govindo's mundo sujida সুদের কর্মকার কি কুকর্ম করেছিস কুকর্মকারগণ उस कुकर्मकार परिणाम each and everybody has to be faced. সুজয় ঔদ্ধত্যের সীমা তুই এত উল্লঙ্ঘন করেছিস, তোর বাপেরা তুই সত্য দীপঙ্কর দীপক প্রমোদ প্রদ্যোৎ প্রত্যুষ প্রধীর সুধীর অধীর সঞ্জনা মঞ্জুগুণেন মান্ডবী সুব্রত মনতোষ পরিতোষ সন্তোষ দেবেন জয়ন্ত, you cannot imagine torture will be done on you के अजय दुर्जय सूर्जय और कोई अभी नाम लेने दे, अभी तो मैं नाम लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। अभी सुभाष सरकार तुम जहीं भी हो, तेरा गर्दन और तेरा वेश मधु जत्ना चूरमा रानी, जितना भी वेटनरियन वहाँ दिखा जाएगा वो हैव नॉट सपोर्टेड मालिनी दुग्गल, Jodu Duggal and her group, others group. Openly you have not given support any digital scientists, digital people. You will be killed in which brutal manner. High technologists and such setup running deep undersea with massive structure, with oxygen supply, heavy structure, digital coordination, automation, how is possible, and camera, etc. In 1,000 men or 1,000 people's oxygen pools in such a safe, secret, deep undersea. How you are managed without high technologies of USA secretaries, White House, some culprits, FBI, Commerce Department, meteorological, oceanography, monitoring, Homeland Security, Coastal Guards, Marinos, officers, Indian bonds, Texas, Colorado, climate. How many thousand people are involved, Indians? You are there, 2 million Indians. And you are telling that mainly complaint is coming about UK Britishers. UK Britishers colony misuser Boris Johnson you have also faced tremendous punishment. If you do not take care to stop killing of white peoples who have doing annihilation in different principal methods, I have repeatedly warning, if you are not able to digitally cope up with these culprits, criminals, who are branches of Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Internet, web page maker, Microsoft Parallel, software creator, each and every digital camera, security, IP address establishing, data stealing, whole India capturing, USA capturing, UK capturing, still you are remaining silent, and whole technology has been transferred to China for their best shelter and support, but they are also not friend of China. They wanted to teach up to China with the devastation of climatologically, but coronavirus as their vaccine you need, and testing of your pathogens through such lands, you misuse with China. and all ports and seas of Australia, New Zealand, India, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, etc. Malaysia, Indonesia badly, and China you have destroyed Japan, Philippines, etc. countries. You have entered in Netherlands, Sweden, Norway, Turkey, Greece, Malta, Morocco, Dublin, Madagascar, Sicily. Everywhere you are there. Cuba is your whole control, Caracas, Colombia. Santiago, Argentina, you have captured practically. You have as a great, notorious pressures of each and every government's top officials' life matter. You have practically hijacked even Pope. You have seated in the all religious Christians' top bishop padre post as a criminal, mass murderer, annihilator. The Vidyut, Bijan, Ram Rohim brothers, P.K. Uppal, Bijan Uppal, Ipsito, Yudhishthir, Duryodhan, Indu, Maya, Rupali, Parali, Mekhali, Shakhali, Mitali, Itali, Vitali, Chudali, जो भी हो, शीतल, गीतल, चुदमारणी, मोनिका, कोनिका, गोनिका, गौरी, गौरी तो तोरा तोर बेटे दे, तोर गुदे रातोई, माधुर जमले, दुमले, बिमले, तारा पदर चुरीर खान चुरीर बच्चा, और धेंदु, शीर्षेंदु, चुरेंदु, जो चुरीर बच्चा, चुप खोर इतना हाई टॉप क्रिमिनल, सुवरेरा बच्चा, सम्राट बोसो, तुम लोग चुरीर बच्चा इतना उद्धत दिखा सकते हो in the sitting in the nose of USA, such high technology and security watchdog system, as if you do not care from any section, as if you have collapsed, pervaded, destroyed all powers of USA. How I am that you have able to 10 millions of USA through coronavirus, taking of their technology, pathology, as you have placed your peoples from 2 million Indians to place in USA all key posts. A simply English speaking can, even if he is a stupid bastard criminal, can manage that post just to mislead with guard, pride and prejudice, arrogance, pride. You have listened from me my all Indian Shastra, religious topic, historical document, science. You are doing bakbas. You have misleading whole USA media people, and you can make foolish each and everybody with help of my this knowledge. What you have gathered and you are doing, gravitational everything you are just misusing. You can make foolish any people of any branches with my knowledge. That you have borrowed and other people's knowledge, you have originally replaced those digital systems, Silicon Valleys, NASA's, as you have repeatedly done conspiratedly sabotage activity to destroy so many US satellite launcher, space shuttle destroyer, Star Wars system hacker, destroyer from undersea. You are parallelly able to launch private rockets, satellites, each and everything you have parallelly to government as a private organization to give challenge and to destroy the all white people's pride, God, glory of USA, what they are boast of, mad Joe Biden, as he also will be killed, as he 3 times fell down to ride his plane top from down, if he can, as Michael Angelas, I am repeatedly sending this warning message that you remove and arrest all undersea peoples of USA and whole world. As you will, then only you can save your people's life as they are ready to spread Ebola, as you allow these people's criminals, doctors, Indian borns, to have that all control preservation with cold system, nasal spray or high compressive cooler pressure. I do not know all those terms nowadays because lot of times my computer, internet remain hacked, television remain hacked. I have little access about get news, update of your technologies. I hardly can learn that magnet effect. You have done research, still you are ignorant and defying me. How this keeping magnet iron setup, bulldozer extra heavy structure, sheet, cruises, submersible boat of heavy size. And how the vortex cloud of thousand kilometers flying and streamlined cloud formation parallel to your course in thin line of cloud can be created. That you cannot understand your medical, that your gravitational scientists and meteorological people, oceanography or other administrative meteorological department cannot prevent, and you are blaming carbon dioxide. If that condition carbon dioxide can be streamlined in such a manner, in a rope or string drawing like structure, how vortex can be created in such a, because mind is matter I will try to put today, but may not be possible. I kept this data to be put today 29th only after 5, 6, 10 hours. As I am tremendous pressure on the life losing conditions, so tremendous compact setup to wind up cyclic, winding manner to pack me my all spiritual powers with so heavy compact structure. I was discussing with some ignorant, stupid, foolish people of this region how we can reach government as the culprits. Each and everybody are captured all culprits of this blue whale. Blue whale is indicating that undersea people, deep undersea people witches. Because day and night, each and every 10, 15 per second, 10, 20, 30-second interval attack is becoming so serious. I am unable to get any time, spare time, even to make my food, cook or eat. Eating time, I hardly get 1 or 2 minutes. To finish my eating, that is becoming horrible, or drinking is totally making impossible. As that machine rotating such a manner, my thoughts of water is going, the body is becoming dehydrated, urine becoming yellowish, as they are not allowing and torture within our body. from underneath 12,000 kilometers with magnetic field winding manner to pick up my body personal and my relatives, friends, and my brothers, sisters, and particular my supporter. Although there is no supporter, I am alone only. And all the supporters who are, I to claim, still active than underneath in your side. Malini Duggal, Bhamini, Soilini, Soibalini, whatever names, because I am forgetting those names, Subhat Duggal, Judu Duggal, etc. Their mothers' names is kept secret, and so many peoples, maybe thousands, may not be, I do not know exactly, but I have given the most strongest warning of all veterinarians of Bengal Veterinary College and IIT, IT, who have left India with his passport and remain in Dubai to support this group or any Indian colonies, governments, peoples who left India enjoying this area. Their people's all wealth will be, and how many millions head will be beheaded and need to be beheaded, I cannot approximately tell this situation. And how many people of USA, top secretariat officials will be beheaded, need to save this USS people's life, UK people's life, white people's life, black people's life, brown people, honest people's life. And to do this of beheading, as you are unable, only I am, this witchcrafty and this God-gifted, as God-given challenge to you, this fake fraud, scientism of modern time, communist, irreligious, Churir Bacha, to giving all those blessings to make foolish at your nose, sitting on your tip of nose, within your mustard oil, the ghosts are sitting in your country, using your flag, using your funds, using your institute, using your party office, using your White House, using your department, each and every sea, etc., NASA, aeroplane technology, shuttle space, digital, all technology of sea, sky, land, building, bridge, making of high length, high pump, turbines, millions horsepower of engine using, and how much lengthy they are set up, because I am unable to get of this system videography, because they have kept suppressed of their such massive setup. So I am unable to get, even imagine, as all those setup cannot be seen in my eyes, as my body has been covered with thick magnetic field. It is becoming vision, barrier, blunder, that is what is called blur, thickness of vision, that dark thing, that pervading of all time, this earth breaking, this such of high heavy duty iron ceiling, it is becoming horrible, 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 horrible. And you people as a foolish, as an ordinary man is a veterinarian, if you talked about this gravitational theories, how this Einstein net base tensor has been shown, if such net can cover your whole Mexican Gulf or half of this Atlantic Oceans, like, or any small country, Cuba, Haiti, etc. areas to cover this net. And this net is to use to cover me my spiritual field. and with setup, that winding of this coiling, shearing, I cannot imagine those. In your country, submarine what is doing and submarine what is doing. That is becoming very astonishing to me. Because whatever cloud I have seen, such total abnormality, lengthy stream of cloud formation, you have not doubted that such massive rail line like track or heavy, lengthy subject being drawn, system vertical lengthy being deepening vertically downwards. I cannot explain those or technology. My note is becoming more than 25 or 30 minutes. As it is horrible, my talking power is becoming choked. Body is tremendous pressure given by these people. I have put one big paddy mustard oil. This can be shown, but it is becoming so difficult. If I should start disturb body, the bags, I have to keep dense classes. You see, this is classes. They are hindering me to take this videography and this shopping item. It is not coming, and this present, this is photography is not coming. Still, you see this because they are changing my camera power from there. All technology they have captured this magic city. They have so many Indian IT, fake IT, even they have made trained skills in fanatic manner. They can make puzzle. You people are digital scientists, and you pick up your Google Master, Bill Gates as a criminals and put in Morgan's or other internet, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. They are not giving such message, but they are limiting, muting, even telling your video, your message cannot be taken. We are unable to take this message on this can verification, which is practically impossible unless human involved there and to inhibit my things, because machine cannot do those things. So I am then your people's local agents of the giant social medias are involved very badly. And what technologies experts are not behind to this system, blue whale, undersea people, I cannot imagine. I am become tired to continue my speech. I remain with burden on my head of, you cannot imagine those pressure. As I am Hercules body to keep my back to carry whole earth as if you have listened Indian Christian Bible theory, the Hercules, like power, that in Christian language Hercules, Hercules body, Hercules, how keep on his back the whole earth, Mirdad. Mirdad is in Mirdad story is not mentioned, but this Hercules, how my Guru, like Hari, Lord Hari, or my Guru, like power, to keep whole earth universe on their back. Although I am not fully but pervaded, still pervaded almost the whole earth. I have to keep also such heavy weight on my back that you cannot, and how mind and spiritual, as you cannot imagine gravitational wave thickness, how finest and lightweight, lighter than lightweight mind. So it is just becoming workbus to you, as you people cannot learn super mind and spirit gravitational wave in proper manner or cosmic waves in proper manner. That machine is doing, but your mind cannot imagine with your body. Unless your body or mind cannot fill with machine, that cannot be doubted such system properly and can be learned. So it is becoming again